Hi there, I'm Bob Eubanks. Hey, I want to talk to you about a serious bedroom problem. No, not that problem. Snoring. It's a problem that affects 90 million Americans. And it doesn't just affect the person who's snoring.
I woke up every night to this horrific sound. The earplugs weren't working, the pillow over my head wasn't working, so I ended up going and sleeping in the floor of our closet.
I didn't believe her at first until she recorded me and played it back. I had tried nasal strips, nasal spray, throat spray.
I tried every other snoring product and nothing worked. But then I found Zipa RX. It will work the first night and every night. I guarantee it.
Zipa RX is the new breakthrough in science, guaranteed to stop your snoring the moment you place it in your mouth. While you sleep,